So now, what is the Conceptual Psych App? So it's a complete prep hub for the clinical psychology entrances as well as UGC NET-JRF. So the conceptual psychology domain on the Conceptual Psych App is designed for a focused preparation, which includes the MPhil Clinical Psychology exam or the MA Clinical Psychology exam and UGC NET-JRF. So the app here offers an in-depth subject-wise video lectures which are taken up by the expert faculty. It covers the entire syllabus as per the exam requirements. Now for a quick and effective rapid revision, students also get access to the rapid revision videos that cover the entire syllabus in approximately 30 hours, which is an ideal way to prepare for a phased or a focused preparation. Now, talking about the major strength of the app is that it has advanced mock test systems for both the clinical psychology and the UGC NET examination. It also includes the preparation for paper 1 for UGC NET. Now, each mock test, it provides not just the correct answer, but also detailed explanations of why the other options are incorrect, which would help the students build strong conceptual clarity and not just exam-oriented guessing. With 10,000 plus quality practice questions and with PYQs and timed tests, the students, they receive guided performance feedback, detailed score analysis, and an all India rank simulation, creating a real exam-like environment. So this also helps them identify the strengths, their weaknesses, accuracy levels, and it allows them a targeted improvement. Now, different subjects are taught by specialized faculty members, ensuring domain expertise across all areas of the syllabus. Additionally, the Conceptual Psych Instagram and YouTube channels, they regularly provide free learning content, making quality preparation accessible even before opting for the premium plan. So Conceptual Psych isn't just about practice, it's about conceptual mastery, strategic preparation, and performance tracking in one place. Now, who can use the Conceptual Psych app? So all the students who are preparing for the UGC NET-JRF or the MPhil Clinical Psychology entrances or the MA Clinical Psychology examination preparation can definitely take advantage of learning from this app. Also, those students who have already enrolled in the MPhil Clinical Psychology program can definitely benefit from it, as we regularly keep covering the therapies in details as well. So I wish you all happy learning and all the best. I hope together we can achieve this goal of getting you your dream college. Thank you.